Okay, so what up, guys? So in this NeetCode review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about NeetCode. So first of all, NeetCode is a platform that has helped over 1 million developers prepare for their coding interviews. So the platform allows you, it has a lot of benefits. So for example, it allows software engineers to practice coding challenges that they are most likely to encounter in real life interview, and so in companies like Meta, Amazon, Netflix, Google, etc. So most of the coding challenges are around the most important programming concepts like data structure and algorithm, system design, object oriented programming, etc. So before moving forward, if you want to check out NeetCode, I'll drop the link to NeetCode in the description below. So I think it's currently, there should be a about 25% discount. So the link to that discount will be in the description below. So NeetCode for me is divided into three. So first of all is the NeetCode website, followed by the NeetCode YouTube channel, followed by the NeetCode Discord group. So let's start with the YouTube channel because this is where a lot of people know NeetCode from. So in the YouTube channel, this is where NeetCode does a lot of is magical stuff. Like this is where it gives out a lot of valuable stuff. As you can see, his last video is saying my last day at Google. So I'm believing he's about to leave Google because NeetCode, the only thing anyone knows about him is that he's currently working at Google. So I believe he's quitting Google. I would have to find that. I'll have to find out later. So basically, there are a lot of videos on his YouTube channel that is specially designed for software engineers that are trying to nail their coding interview. So these videos are divided into playlists, so you can actually see, you can watch any one you want. I think my favorite playlist is, I've forgotten, yes, this one, Lead Code Blind 75 Solution. And the reason why I love this playlist is that, first of all, the playlist has over 70 videos, and what NeetCode does in this playlist is that it walks students through many interview questions on LeetCode and Blind 75. So it helps solve those interview questions, and yes, that's how you give a lot of value on YouTube. So let's go back to his website, which I said the link will be in the description below if you want to check it out. So first of all, there are a lot of things to check out in his website. A lot of stuff. First of all, is the roadmap. The He has the roadmap is actually to the algorithms roadmap and course roadmap. So this roadmap is a learning framework that allows you to understand how you should prepare for your interview, how you should learn the learning structure. So as you can see, he made everything very clear. So this is the algorithms roadmap. So if you go to check the course roadmap, so you understand how you should consume the course. So I'm coming back to his courses, but he has 5 courses, and these are the structures of how he wants you to consume the content of the course so that you can for better understanding. So let's move to practice questions. So actually, he also has practice questions that you can actually work with. So, and I believe this is where you want to use what you saw in the roadmap. You want to put it to play here so that you can understand the hierarchy of this topic and how you should consume the content. So this is a very good one. He has for this blind 75. I mean, the guy is doing a lot of great stuff on his website. So he also have currently he has 5 courses. So these courses comes in his pro package. So of course you can get a lot of stuff for him from NeetCode for free. But if you want any of his courses, then obviously you will have to subscribe to his pro plan, which I'll talk more about later. So however, he has 5 courses at the moment. So the algorithms and data structures for beginners is focused on helping you build a strong foundation of coding interviews and algorithms and data structures. So the advanced algorithm allows you to learn every algorithm you ever need. This is a very in-depth training, and as you can see, the status of training is hard. So it is hard, but if you can actually get it through and understand every bit of it, then you are surely going to benefit a lot. Then there's a course system design for beginners. So this course focus on helping you learn the foundation of system design interviews. And this one is focused in system design interview, is focused on system design interview questions. So you learn the most common system design interview questions and with their answer. This is the status for this one is medium. Then the last course currently at the moment is the object oriented design interview. So you're going to learn object oriented design interview questions and their answers. So basically, if you know NeetCode before, you would not be surprised that you would already know that its courses would be very very detailed, because its free information alone are actually fire. So what you would expect from is courses. So he also has a Discord group which you can join for free too. Yeah, he has Discord group, and there's a lot going on in his Discord, and I generally love the Discord. As you can see, coding app, job search, there are a lot of server stuff, event and notice. So there are a lot of stuff going on in his Discord. So basically, if you are a software engineer and you want to nail your coding interview, you have, I mean, you have a very powerful tool uh, at your disposal, because NeetCode Pro is actually what you need. Compared to other tech interview courses, NeetCode is very detailed and less expensive. I mean, other interview courses that are not as deep as NeetCode goes for 2k, 3k, some even goes for 5k, 9k, $9,000. Yes, you heard me right. So NeetCode is very affordable, and like I said, I think its 25% discount is currently running, and the link to the discount would be in the description below if you want to check it out. Thank you.